Hello everybody, it's Arcalia Luna here from This Wiccan Girl. So I've got my witch casket this month. It's a little bit late, but it's absolutely fine. With everything that's been going on in the world right now, can't blame it happening. I cannot fit the entire thing in my camera, but yes, it's my witch casket. I'm just going to get a little bit out, one thing out at a time and show you guys. So we have got Witch Casket Sun Magic for the month of June. I am just going to open that up so I can talk about the products as we go through, which is something that I don't usually do. So June's casket honours our magnificent sun and celebrates all the powerful solar energy. So last month was about the moon. This month is about the sun, which is amazing. I'm really hoping that, you know, the themes carry on like this because I'm absolutely loving it. So our first thing here is the Le Soleil, which is it Spanish for the sun, A6 art print, and it is designed and created by Witch Casket themselves, especially for us guys, which is amazing. And it's made to mirror the moon card that we got in last month's box as well. So I'm going to put those up together actually on my altar. So that's amazing. We have got a rune guide here. Let me just find that in here. Okay, so the rune guide, I'm going to have to lay it down like this just to fit it in. It's got all the runes on there and what are called and what they mean. And then it's got on the other side a simple single stone reading. So how to conduct a rune reading, which is pretty awesome. One thing I love about Witch Casket is all the information that you get. And then they've put a little note in here saying please accept our apologies, and they have added a spiced orange soybean candle in to say sorry for it being late, which they didn't have to do at all. It's only a couple of days late, but this is what they have added in, and it's spiced orange, and it smells like cinnamon and orange. It just smells, oh, I'm going to burn this tonight when I go to bed. It just smells absolutely beautiful. And look at the jar. The jar is gorgeous. I'm a sucker for a nice candle and jar. So let's have a look. We have also got, and I was so excited when I saw this, we have got some Rune Stones. And these Rune Stones are black agate. And let's just get some of these out. This is a Witch Casket exclusive. And it says that this is the highest value item in the box, and to ever grace our caskets, which is amazing. It also says that they're not only for divination but for magical charms, protection and healing. The powerful magical stones are made from opulent black agate, which is grounding and protective stone, known to bring harmony and peace. There are many ways to utilise these in your magic. A simple single stone reading method is enclosed in the casket, which we have just seen. But we urge you to use them in any which way feels right for you. So these are absolutely amazing. I love them. I have some obsidian rune stones, so I'm really, really pleased that I have now got some black agate rune stones as well, and this rune bag is gorgeous too. I have got some wizard spell incense cones. I really wanted some more incense cones rather than sticks as well, which is fab, because I have got a little smoke breathing dragon. So you pop the incense cone on the bottom, and then you pop the dragon over the top, and then the smoke from the incense cone goes through his mouth, and it looks really awesome. So I'm happy that I've got some incense cones there. Our crystal for this month is a piece of sunstone. And Sunstone is a stone of happiness and good fortune. It alleviates stress and anxiety and allows your true nature to shine. It's also a great stone for empowerment, independence and high energy. Carry it with you, keep it on your altar, or incorporate it in spells, charm bags, rituals and all that jazz. So that's a really, really, really beautiful piece. Absolutely gorgeous. I haven't got any sunstone, so I'm really happy that I now have a piece. Our charm bag for this month is... let me get it out. And I love the way that they're doing this now. So they've sort of numbered the herbs so you know which is which. Because before you had to guess which was which herb. So now this is a happiness charm bag, and on this card it tells you how to go about using your happiness charm bag. We have got a piece of clear quartz in there. We also have a herb that's called number 1, and in the booklet it is orange peel. So I've got orange peel there, if you can see that. No, we haven't. Do you know what? They've said package 1 is orange peel, but it's not. This is the hibiscus flower. So I think there's been a little bit of a muddle up here. This is the hibiscus flower. And this one is the orange peel. So there has been a little bit of a mix up with mine, but nay bother. These are really easy to tell the difference with, but I get the idea, which is really good. This is obviously the orange peel, and this is the hibiscus flower. And you also get a little pouch to carry out your charm bag. So that's really nice. I love every month's charm bag. And we have got some lemon mango punch tea, which sounds absolutely gorgeous. So this is a refreshing witch's brew. Lemon promotes joy and happiness and is accompanied by sweet tropical notes of mango. Ingredients are apple pieces, hibiscus petals, rosehip and lemon and lime pieces. Natural flavour, caffeine free, and you just have to steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. That looks really, really tasty. I need to get another steeper because I broke my other one. I don't know how it happened. It just snapped off. So I need to get another one. But that looks so, so tasty. I can't wait to try that. I might have some in the morning. I'm having a self-care day tomorrow. Well, self-care evening tomorrow evening. So I might enjoy that with my face mask on. We also have a herb this month, and we have got marigold. So here is the marigold, and this, let me just try and find it, is for love, dreams, peace, luck and wealth. I really like that. So obviously if you cast magic, you can use this in your magic spells and things like that. This is actually marigold petals, a captivating flower. It has many magical properties, embodying love, dreams, peace, luck, wealth. Marigold brings heart to your charm bags, herb blends, spells, rituals, tea blends and so on. Gorgeous. So we have also got our pin for this month. I'm loving how all the cards have got the same theme on them. So the pin for this month is Sun Magic. Absolutely amazing. That will go next to my Moon Magic one. And I was so excited when I saw this, honestly. I love it when Witch Casket include cards in their boxes, but this is by far the best set of cards Witch Casket have ever done. The quality of the cards, it's like holding actual card, like, you know, thick card. And not only that, but look at that absolute beauty of a guild. Oh my gosh. And they are called Floral Grimoire cards. And the back of the cards look like this. It's just got their Witch Casket on it, but it's rose gold and it's beautiful. My favourite colour. Rose gold is my favourite ever colour. So on the back of this card, it just tells you how to use them. You can use them as altar cards. You can use them as divination cards. You can use them with spells and rituals. Anything. So let's just have a flick through. We have got Dandelion, Tulip, I don't know how to pronounce that one, Echinacea. I'll have to have a look for that. Or Echinacea or something like that. Chamomile. Oh, Marigold, which is what we've got today. Useful in legal matters and during times of grief. Carry your marigold with you for protection. Alternatively, hang marigold by your door to stop negative energies passing through. So it's all about protection is marigold too. We've got Daisy, Jasmine, Hibiscus. I drink a lot of hibiscus tea. I love it. Sunflower. And sunflowers do make you happy when you see them, right? Rose, obviously love. Honeysuckle. And lavender. I adore these cards. I really do. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm blown away. Legit blown away by those cards. And, oh, I'm not going to be able to fit this in the, I'm not going to be able to fit this in the frame. This is a bag. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to lift the camera up to show you guys. Look at this. It is a nice, thick, amazing quality canvas bag, and it says foraging bag, and it's got the sun on there too. And it is just absolutely incredible. I'm in love. Absolutely amazing. This casket is legit my favourite ever casket that I've had so far. I'm in love with it. So let's see what our scroll is going to be. Obviously it's going to be about sun magic, I'm guessing. And let me just roll it so that it's the correct way and doesn't start trying to roll back up into a ball. Oh, come on. Come on, little sticker. There we go. Okay, so again, I'm not going to be able to fit this in, so I'm just going to lay it down and hold the camera up. So this one is all about solar magic. It tells you about the sun phases, amulets and statues, crystals, jewellery, sun water, meditate and mirrors. So it gives you all that information right there. So yeah, this casket is by far my favourite ever casket. I am just absolutely in love. These are my favourite. This candle is incredible and I can't wait to drink the tea. And guys, you have outdone yourselves. I say this every single month, but honestly, you have outdone yourselves. These, top notch, absolutely amazing. I have got way more than my money's worth here. So thank you so much, Witch Casket, yet again for another absolutely incredible box. And we'll see you again with Witch Casket next month.